morning, dear student. Prayer. Today we are going to learn about the volume of a cylinder. You know what is cylinder? This shape is a cylindrical shape. Okay. Cylinder has one curved surface and two circled shape faces. Okay. So volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Pi r square h. H is the height of the cylinder and r is the radius of this base. Now take your textbook page 230, exercise 13.6. Assume pi equal to 22/7 unless stated otherwise. Here given pi equal to 22/7. Otherwise, value of pi is given with the question. First question. The circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water can it hold? 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So here given circumference of a cylindrical vessel and its height is also given. We need to find how many liters of water can it hold. So from circumference we need to find the radius of the cylinder. Then find the volume of cylinder. Okay. So what is the formula for finding circumference of a cylinder? Circumference of a cylinder is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 132. R equal to 132. Sorry. First here substitute value of pi. After that we can transpose to the right hand side. So pi value is 22/7 into r equal to 132. Now r is equal to 132 into this 7 here division. So here comes multiplication by this 2 into 22. 2 into 22. Now we can cancel this 132 and 2. 132 divided by 2 we get 66. Again we can cancel this 66 and 22 with 11. So here we get 6 and 11 6s are 66 and 11 2s are 22. Again we can cancel this 2 and 6. 2 3s are 6. Final 3 into 2 equal to 21. So the answer of radius is 21. Sorry, 3 into 7. 3 into 7 equal to 21. So the radius is 21. And height is already given. So substitute these values in this equation. We get a volume. Okay, so volume is equal to pi r square h equal to 22/7 into 21 square into 25. Now this is equal to 22/7 into 21 into 21 into 25. 7 3s are 21. Now multiply 22 into 3 into 21 into 25. So after multiplication we get 34,650 centimeter cube. And given in bracket 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. Here question is about how many liters of water can it hold. Question is asking how many liters. So here we find the volume in centimeter cube. We need to convert this centimeter cube into liter. So 1 centimeter cube 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So this is equal to 34,640 divided by 1000. Then this become liter. We can cancel 0 and 0. Then put 0.65. So 34,650 by 1000. Cancel 0 and 0. Then here 100. 100 have 2 zeros. So put point from the right side after 2 digit. So here 34.65 liter. Next question 2. The inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. Suppose this is example of that pipe. Then inner radius is given, that is inside radius, and outer radius is also given. We need to find its mass. Mass means this thickness. This thickness we need to find. For that, first find outer volume and inner volume. Then subtract, we get this portion. So given inner diameter 24. So inner radius is equal to 24 by 2, that is 12. Outer diameter is 28, then outer radius equal to 28 by 2, that is 14. We take outer radius as a capital R and inner radius small letter r. Okay, now height is given 35. Now we are going to first find this outer volume, means outer, including that outer space, that volume. So outer volume equal to pi capital R square h. We take outer radius capital R, that's why pi R square h. This is equal to 22 by 7 into 14 square into 35. Equal to 22 by 7 into 14 into 35. We can cancel this 14 and 7. 7 2s are 14 and multiply 22 into 2 into 14 into 35. After multiplication we get a 21,560 centimeter cube. Same way we need to find the inner volume. So inner volume is equal to small r square. We use a small r, pi small r. So pi r square h and substitute value 22 by 7 into inner radius 12. So 12 square into height 35. Now multiply 22 into 12 into 12 into 35 and we divide that answer with 7. Here we can cancel this 7 and 35. 7 5s are 35. Then multiplication will easy. 22 into 12 into 12 into 5. Any where you can use. Okay, after multiplication we get a 15,840 centimeter cube. Next, volume of wood used. Volume of wood used means this portion. This portion is in outer volume minus inner volume equal to 21,560 minus 15,840. So after subtraction we get is 5,720 centimeter cube. Now in question find the mass of pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. 0.6 gram. 1 centimeter cube wood. So here we have a 5,720 centimeter cube wood. So 1 centimeter cube is a 0.6 gram. So multiply with this number, we get total mass. After multiplication we get 3,432 gram. So this is the mass of the pipe. Now question 3. A soft drink is available in 2 pints. One, a tin can with a rectangular base of length 5 cm and width 4 cm, having a height of 15 cm, and second, a plastic cylinder with a circular base of diameter 7 cm and height 10 cm. Which container has greater capacity and by how much? So here given Soft drink is available in two types of packet. One is the shape of a rectangular base tin and another is the shape of a cylinder, plastic cylinder. So first we need to find the volume of or capacity of both cans. Then compare that one. So first volume of capacity of tin. So rectangular base, so L equal 5 cm, B equal 4 cm, height equal 15 cm. Now capacity means the volume, same equation. So this is a rectangular base, so its volume is L into B into H. We already learned capacity of a rectangular shape, that is a cuboid. Okay, so L into B into H, 5 into 4 into 15. After multiplication we get 300 centimeter cube. Then next is a plastic cylinder. Its diameter is given 7 centimeter. So its radius is 7 by 2 centimeter and its height is given 10 centimeter. Now volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Substitute these values. Pi 22 by 7 into r, 7 by 2 whole square into 10. We can cancel 1 7 and this one here 1 7. Then 22 into 7 into 10 by 4. 2 square is 4. Then after this, after calculation we get 385 centimeter cube. Now in question, which container has a greater capacity? Which container has a greater capacity? Compare, this is 300 and this is 385. So plastic cylinder have more capacity, and by how much? By how much means 385 minus 300, that is 85 centimeter cube. Next question 4. If the lateral surface of a cylinder is 94 centimeter cube and its height is 5 centimeter, then find first radius of its base, second its volume, use pi equal 3.14. So if the lateral surface area of a cylinder's lateral surface area means this surface, this is a curved surface. We already learned curved surface area is 2 pi r h in this previous topic. Do you remember? We already learned in this chapter only. Okay. So lateral surface area is the curved surface area itself and its formula is 2 pi r h. Now given lateral surface area of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. We need to find the radius, then find its volume. So 2 pi r h equal to 94.2 and h is given 5 centimeter. So substitute the values. 2 into here given pi equal to 3.14. So use 3.14 into r into 5 equal to 94.2. At the place of h5. Okay. Now r equal to, this r equal to 94.2. Now here all multiplications, so transpose these 2 into 3.14 into 5 to the right hand side. Here division 2 into 3.14 into 5. Now 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 3.14 is 94.2 by 31.4. Multiply with 10. We need to change decimal place 1 digit to the right hand side. So this is 31.4. Now divide. So after division we get this is 3 centimeter. That is radius is 3. Now we need to find its volume. Volume is pi r square h. So here use pi 3.14 r 3 square h 5. Now multiply 3.14 into 3 into 3 into 5. So after multiplication we get 141.3 centimeter cube. Now question 5. It cost us rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface of a cylinder vessel 10 meter deep. If the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, find 1. Inner curved surface area of the vessel, 2. Radius of the base, 3. Capacity of the vessel. Now question is given. It cost us rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface of a cylinder vessel 10 meter deep. That 10 meter deep means the height of the cylinder, and its cost curved inner curved surface area need to paint, and its cost is 2200, and the cost of painting is at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. So from here we can find the inner curved surface area of the vessel. That inner curved surface area into 20 we get the total cost. We already done this type of questions, find the total cost. Then we first find the surface area, then multiply with the rupees, we get the total cost. So here given it's reverse. Okay. So here given total cost and cost per meter square. We need to find the inner curved surface area. So we need to divide this total cost by cost per meter square. We get inner curved surface area, because we already we already done this type of questions for finding total cost. Then in that time we multiply inner curved surface area with cost per meter square, or like that. Then here we divide total cost by cost per meter square. We get the inner surface area. So this is 110 meter square. So we get first question's answer. Then find the radius of the base. So inner curved surface area means inside curved surface area. That is curved surface area 2 pi RH. That 2 pi RH is 110. And height is given. Deep is 10 centimeters. So we take that is the height. Deep 10, not 10 centimeters, 10 meter. So h equal to 10 meter, and substitute value here. 2 into 22 by 7 into r into 10. We get 110. So from here we can find r. So transpose this 2 into 22 by 7 into 10 to the right hand side. We get 110 into 7 by 2 into 22 into 10. Now we can cancel this 0 and 0. Then 11 into 2 equal to 22. So we get 7 by 2 into 2, 4. After division we get 1.75 centimeter. Sorry, not centimeter, meter. 1.75 meter. Now third question is capacity of the vessel. That means we need to find the volume pi r square h. Now substitute values of pi, r and h, then multiply. We get its capacity is 96.25 meter cube. Now question 6. The capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liters. How many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? The capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liters. How many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? So closed cylinder vessel. So we need to find its total surface area. Before that we need to find its radius. So here given one clue. Capacity 15.4 liter, height 1 meter. So capacity is given in liter and height is given in meter. So we need to convert this liter to meter cube. So divide this capacity with 1000. 1 liter equal to 1000 meter cube. So divide, we get 0.0154 meter cube. So this is the capacity, and then pi r square is equal to 0.0154. Now substitute the values. We get r square equal to 0.0154 into 7 by 7 into 1. Now we can cancel this. Here 22, not 7. Here 22 transpose to this side. Here 22. Now 22 into 1, 22 itself, and multiply this and divide with 22. We get r square equal to 0.0049. We need to find r. So take root of 0.0049. So 0's root is 0 and 49 root is 7. So this root is 0.07 meters. So we get radius. So we get radius 0.07 meter. Now how many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? So we need to find its total surface area. Total surface area means this surface plus these two surfaces. Okay, that is 2 pi r into r plus h. Now substitute values. 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.07 into h is 1. So r plus h is 0.07 plus 1. Now multiply 2 into 22 into 0.07, we get 3.08 by 7 into add this 1.07, and then multiply these two and divide with 7, we get 0.4708. So 0.4708 meter square metal sheet is required for making that cylinder. Now question 7. A lead pencil consists of a cylinder of wood with a solid cylinder of graphite filled in the interior. The diameter of the pencil is 7 millimeter and the diameter of the graphite is 1 millimeter. If the length of the pencil is 14 centimeter, find the volume of the wood and that of the graphite. So a pencil with the shape, cylinder shape, and its graphite filled its interior. You know, it's graphite filled its interior. Okay, so we need to find how volume of wood and the volume of this graphite. So for graphite, given diameter is 1 millimeter. So radius is 1 by 2. Diameter's half is the radius. So r equal to 1 by 2 millimeter. And total height is given h equal to 14 centimeter. Here given diameter in millimeter. So we need to convert this as a millimeter. Then 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So multiply 14 into 10, we get 140 millimeter. Now volume of that graphite pi r square is equal to 22 by 7 into 1 by 2 r square into 140. Now 22 into 1 square is 1 into 1 and 2 square 2 into 2 into 140. We can cancel this 2 and 22. Here we get 11. And here we cancel 140 and 7. We get 20. And we again cancel this 2 and 20. Here 10. Okay. So we get 11 into 10, 110 millimeter cube. Now we need to convert this millimeter into centimeter. So we know 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter and here millimeter cube. So we need to convert this to centimeter cube. Divide this 100 with 10 into 10 into 10. Because here is a millimeter cube. So divide 0 0 cancel. Then this is a put point after two digit. Sorry, from the right 2 digit to the left. So 10 into 10 100. So this is a 0.11 centimeter cube. So the area, sorry, not area, no, volume of that graphite is 0.11 centimeter cube. So first we find its graphite inside portion, graphite's volume. Now we need to find the volume of this pencil. So diameter is given, this pencil's diameter is 7 millimeter. So its radius is 7 by 2 millimeter. But we need to subtract this graphate's measurement. Graphite radius subtract from this pencil's radius. So here we take volume of the cylinder is pi into r square h. In that place r square is capital R square means radius of this pencil minus small r is radius of inside graphite portion. So capital R square minus small r square into h. Original formula is pi r square h. Here r is radius of this wood, this pencil minus radius of this graphite portion. So r square minus r square into h. Now substitute values pi 22 by 7, r 7 by 2, capital R 7 by 2 whole square minus small r 1 by 2 whole square into 140. Now 7 by 2, 49 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Subtraction, we get 48 by 4. That is 22 by 7 into 48 by 4 into 140. Now we can cancel 48 by 4. Here we get 12. Here 7 and 140. 20 into 7 we get 140. And multiply 22 into 12 into 20. We get 5280 millimeter cube. This also we need to convert into centimeter cube. So 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So divide 5280 by 10 into 10 into 10. Then cancel this 0 and 0. Then 5.28 centimeter cube is the volume of this wood. Now question 8. A patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of a diameter 7 centimeter. If the bowl is filled with soup to height of 4 centimeter, how much soup the hospital has to prepare daily to serve 250 patients? So a patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of a diameter 7 centimeter. So diameter is given 7 centimeter. So radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. If the bowl is filled with soup to a height of 4 centimeter. So soup filled with till height 4 centimeter. So here we take height equal to 4 centimeter. How much soup the hospital has to prepare for daily to serve 250 patients? So we need to first find the volume of that soup that the cylinder contains till height 4 centimeter. It's a volume. Then multiply with the 250. We get total volume of or how much soup for daily. Okay. So first step B volume pi r square h. So 22 by 7 into r is 7 by 2 whole square into 4. Now 22 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 4. We can cancel this 2 and this 7 and 7 and this 2 and 22 here we get 11 and 2 and this 4 we get 2. 2 2s are 4. So now multiply 11 into 7 into 2 we get 154 centimeter cube. Then 154 into 250 patients. So multiply with the number we get 38,500 centimeter cube. In liter we can divide this centimeter cube is 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So divide with 1000 we get 38.5 liters. So the hospital need to make 38.5 liter soup daily. We can cancel this 0 and 0, this 0 and 0. Then divide with 10 means put point from the right side 1 digit after 1 digit. So this is 38.5 liter. Okay. So this exercise is completed. So write these answers in your notebook. Study well. Next topic we will discuss on next class. Thank you.